Let us introduce you to Mr. Sagar. He is enjoying a day out with his family. He has a unique habit of looking for guaranteed performance in everything, because this helps him to provide a guaranteed and secure future for his family by planning well in advance. But sometimes even the most perfect plans can go wrong, like today. So, do you have a perfect partner that you can rely on? Presenting the PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan. This plan is a one-stop solution that helps you plan your savings, protection, retirement and life goals along with guaranteed results. The plan not only provides guaranteed returns but also extra benefits for paying higher premium amounts. So, let us look at how this plan works. If 40-year-old Mr. Sagar decides to get a policy with an annualized premium of 1 lakh rupees, he can choose from the given payout options. If he chooses the endowment option with a policy term of 20 years, he will get a lump sum corpus at the end of the policy term. He will also get guaranteed additions with high premium reward along with wealth additions. Sagar will receive a lump sum amount at the end of the policy term. If Mr. Sagar chooses the income option, he will get a regular income payout. In this option, guaranteed additions along with high premium reward gets added to the policy during the premium payment term. He will start receiving a regular guaranteed income till maturity during the income payout period. With the income plus lump sum option, Mr. Sagar will get supplementary income to cater to the rising expenses as well as a lump sum at policy maturity. Guaranteed additions and wealth additions will be added to his policy. He starts receiving a regular income during the income payout period and receives a lump sum amount on maturity. Income plus booster option provides a regular income to Mr. Sagar in the future. He will also get additional payouts periodically as boosters to meet life goals. Guaranteed additions and booster additions will be added to his policy. Sagar will start receiving a regular income during the income payout period. Additionally, Sagar will receive periodical lump sum amounts. He can also choose to get income payouts on special occasions. In all these options, he also gets a life cover which protects him throughout the policy. In case of his death during the policy term, all death benefits are paid to Mr. Sagar's family. There are many reasons to consider the PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan. Now you know why Sagar was relaxed even when things were not going his way. He had a helping hand. Sagar knows that he can count on PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan to meet his goals with a degree of certainty. Now, you can too.